Hello everybody. I'm showing another wig that I created. Yeah. And what I did was I just made a made a homemade fall for this wig, and the hair is gold. It has golden in it, and it also has black streaks. And I also did a little straightening and crimping to the hair. Yeah. Left the back out. And then in the front, I just added a part down the middle. I did a little teasing here and there just to make sure that the sides was pinned up real nice. Then I added some bobby pins on the side. And this is just a nice hairstyle that I worked on that I just want to show. This is also done, and I didn't crochet the hair into the head, but I made the fall by I crocheted and made the fall first, and then after that I just bobby pinned it into a wig that I liked. But this is the end result, and that's the length on it. And I did that look like that, and how I crimped it was I used the Be the Pro Infinity Pro. This is the one. This is our pro tip. This particular type of iron right here. This right here is a triple barrel waver. Gentle waves. And this is how I got the hair like that. After using the triple barrel crimper. They have very, very slight crimps in there. Very, very slight crimps. Very, very slight. And this is actually a crimp style. And that's how I got it to look like that. Notice each hair is crimped. Pieces of it. Little by little. And that's how I did it. And that's how it looked. It's kind of crimped. It looked like it's crimped and it's flat lined all together. Yeah, that's that look. And then I also created the other wig up here. And this particular wig right here has the ponytail. And it's a fully done style. And I took it and I braided her. And that's how that particular look came out. She has extreme full length. She's not crimped. In order to get the style to be done, I had to flat iron this hairstyle. Trying to get and stick the wig up here on the top of my yeah, so I could get a better look at it. There we go. So I said on the top of my suitcase, but and in order to get her straight, I had to crochet the whole wig, and then I also added the braided ponytail. It's half up, half down. This style. And what I did was I found what I did is I found a very short wig, and then I just took it and braided and cornrowed that wig down. I left the bangs out, and then I let the sides of the hair, which I use the Very line or a crimped iron. No, my K skin. I use this to curl and flat iron it, and also I use my flat iron. This flat iron. This is Infinity. Also, this is Infinity Pro by Conair. And I flat ironed the hair to get it smooth and look a little bit better or whatever. But all of the products they use to heat train the hair to get it smooth and shiny was done with the Infinity Pro and K Skin. And this is what it looks like. Showing the wig. What it looks like to the side. And it's a side preview of what that wig looks like. Okay. It's a half up, half down style. And so the whole wig was braided around the whole head. And after it was braided, then it was cornrowed. And I did the invisible hairline crochet also on this wig. That's what I did. Okay. And so I used the same method that I would use in my natural hair to actually add some hair onto an existing wig that was very short. Okay. And I had to get some synthetic hair and braid it only around the top of the perimeter of the head, all the way completely around the head. And then I also just do an actual real true crochet on the wig. And so there's none of the hair left out except for around the front and the sides. And the rest of it, I just crocheted the whole wig. The wig was actually very short, like you see in the front and around the sides. And so I took a wig that would be maybe 5 or 6, 7 inches of hair, no longer than this bang, and I turned it into this. This is the finished result, and it's extremely long. Okay, yeah. So now I had to take and move one wig off of the wig stand and put the other wig back on. Yeah. So that's the length. This is fully crocheted head. The wig was taken from very short.